Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on manage media permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22 for our applications. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our applications menu. Here it is, apps, then three dots menu at the top right, next special access, and here we have manage media. And as you can see from at the top information, choose which apps can modify or delete media files on your phone or connected storage without asking. These apps also need the files and media permission. So let's say we don't want our editor Lite to use this option, or we want everything that we have here to use it. Just a simple tap, and that's it. No need to save, back out, that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.